Super yummy, guys. Super delicious with this cheese. So yummy. Hello everyone, good morning. Thank you for joining. Today I'm going to be cooking pasta. So these are my ingredients. And in here I have my tomatoes. I blended it. It's already there. So I'm going to be making this recipe super fast and super easy. That is my water. I've added all my ingredients. My thyme, my curry powder, turmeric, ginger, rosemary, Maggi cube, salt. And here is my minced meat. So I'll be adding it here. And I like to cook there. So this is the pasta I'll be using. I'll be covering my pot with this foil paper so it can allow it to cook. And this is the pasta that I'm going to be using. So this, I have seasoned this fish, this mackerel fish. So I will take it to the oven. My oven is already on, so I'll put it inside and allow it to be there until it's properly cooked. Check on our meat. So it's ready and I off the gas. So our tomato sauce is also here cooking. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove the meat and I'll take it to the oven to cook. So that is it, guys. The meat is well cooked now, but I will steam it in my oven. So guys, this is my fish. This is my fish that I steamed before. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding my meat as well so that it can steam with the fish too. So this is it, guys. I'll be taking it to the oven. These days, somebody don't hear any other car again, apart from ambulance. Everywhere is ambulance noise. God help us. So my pasta sauce is still cooking. Look at how beautiful it is. At times you don't want to cook. You just want to make super fast food. Even if you don't want to cook, you have to cook for your family to eat. So today I don't feel like cooking or stressing myself, and that is why I'm going to cook this super fast pasta. So I'll still allow it to be there for some time before I will now come and add my pasta. So now I will be adding my pasta. So this is my pasta. I'll be adding everything. So I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 5, maybe 8 minutes. I'll come and check on it. So let's check on our grilled fish and meat. Okay, it's doing great. We are still going to allow it to be there for another 10 minutes. So guys, this is the pasta. My pasta is ready and well cooked. So what I will be doing now, I will be offing the gas Our pasta is ready. So this is how the final look of our pasta. Super fast and super easy. This is how it look like. So I'll be offering it. And here is my meat. And here is my cheese that I will use to garnish it. But if you don't want to use cheese, feel free to omit it. So now I will be dishing it out. I will dish mine out because I'm feeling hungry already. So this is my pasta. So this is my cheese. I'll just add some cheese to make it good looking. So I will add my mackerel fish and my meat. So now I will taste and see how yummy and delicious it is. If you don't want to add cheese, you can add your parsley leaf. So yummy, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the way I prepare it, give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you. See you in my next video.